Hi, children of grade 8. I welcome you all for the today's reading and writing class. Before getting into the session, let's see today's value. That is, books are mirrors. You only see in them what you already have inside you. So, children, read books to show your character to the world. So, children, to improve your reading and writing skill, let's read our text. Children, take your textbook Honeydew. Chapter 2 Prose. The title of the chapter, The Tsunami. From page number 27. Children, let's continue today's reading part. Take your textbook, page number 27. Chapter 2. The title of the chapter, The Tsunami. Okay, children? Take your textbook, page number 27. Read along with me, children. Almas was in the hospital. When she woke up, Almas was in a hospital. Let's continue. Hospital in Kamorta. K-M-O-R more. Ta-T-A-Ta. Kamorta. From there she was brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought to Port Blair, P-O-R-T, Port Blair, B-L-A-I-R, Blair, Port Blair. Okay, children, let's read the lines. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamorta, from where she was brought to Port Blair. That's all. Let's read the next line and the last line, first part, children. The little girl, L-I-T-T-L-E, little girl, G-I-R-L, girl, does not, D-O-E-S, does not, want, W-A-N-T, want to talk, T-A-L-K, talk, about the incident, I-N-C-I-C-D-E-N-T, dent, incident, with anyone, A-N-Y, any, O-N-E, one, anyone, with anyone. She is still, S-T-I-L-L, still, traumatized. What is this word, children? Read along with me. Traumatized. Traumatized. T-R-A-U. Tra. U is silent, children. So, ma, M-A, ma, T-I-S-E-D. Traumatized. Tized. Traumatized. Okay, children? Let's read this line and the last line of the first part. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. Okay, children? Let's move on to the second part of the story. Second part, let's read the second part here. Tilly Smith, T-I-L-L-Y, Tilly Smith, S-M-I-T-H, Smith. Tilly Smith, a British, B-R-I-T-I-S-H, British schoolboy, S-C-H-O-O-L, school girl, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, B-R-I-T-I-S-H, Bree, B-R-I, Bree, Tish, T-I-S-H, Tish, British school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school girl, was able, A-B-L-E, able to save, S-A-V-E, save, M-A-N-Y, many, save many, S-A-V-E, save, M-A-N-Y, many. What is this word, children? Many. Save many lives, L-I-V-E-S, lives, many lives, when the tsunami, T-S-U-N-A-M-I, tsunami, struck, S-T-R-U-C-K, struck Phuket. What is this, children? Phuket beach. P-H-U, Phu, K-E-T, Ket, Phuket beach, B-A-C-H, beach in Thailand. C-H-A-I, T-H-A-I, Thai, L-A-N-D, land, Thailand. Let's read this line, children. Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. So that's all, children. Let's read the next line. Though, T-H-O-U-G-H, though she has won, W-O-N, won, A number of awards. Awards. W-A-R-D-S, wards. Awards. Her parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents, have not allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed their, T-H-E-I-R, their daughter, D-A-U-G-H-T-E-R, daughter, to be inter, I-N, in, T-E-R, viewed, V-I-E-W-E-D, viewed, interviewed on television, 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 and made into a heroine, H-E-R-O, hero, I-N-E, in, heroine. Okay, children, let's read this line. Though she was won a number of awards, her parents have not allowed her to be interviewed on television and made into a heroine. That's all from this line. Let's move on to the next line. Why do you think they took that decision? It is decision. D-E-D-C-I-C-S-I-O-N, shun, decision. Okay, children, why do you think they took that decision? Now, let's read the story now. Now, N-O-W, now, H-E-R-E, here. Now, here is a story, S-T-O-R-Y, story, for O-M, from Thailand, T-H-A-I, Thai, L-A-N-D, land, Thailand, Thailand. Okay, children, now here is a story from Thailand. Look at the next line. The Smith, S-M-I-T-H, Smith, family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family, from southeast England, I-E-N-G, England, L-A-N-D, land, England, were celebrating, C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-I-N-G, celebrating Christmas at a beach resort, B-A-C-H, beach resort, resort, S-O-R-T, resort, in southern, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, southern Thailand, T-H-A-I, Thai, L-A-N-D, land, Thailand. Let's read this line, children, from the beginning. The Smith family from southeast England were celebrating Christmas at a beach resort in southern Thailand. Southern, S-U-T-H, south, E-R-N, southern Thailand, T-H-A-I-L-A-N-D, land, Thailand. Let's read the next line. Telly Smith was a 10-year, Y-E-A-R, old, O-L-D, old, school girl. Her sister, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister was 7 years old. Let's read this line. Telly Smith was a 10-year-old schoolgirl. Her sister was 7 years old. Look at the next line. T-H-E-I-R, their. T-H-E-I-R, their. Their parents were Penny, P-E-N-N-Y, Penny, and Colin, C-O-L-I-N, Colin Smith, S-M-I-T-H, Smith. Their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Let's move on to the next paragraph, children. Look at here. It W-A-S, was. It was 26 December, D-E-C-E-M, December, D-E-D-C-E-M, Sem, B-E-R, December 2004. It was 26 December 2004. Next line. Dead, D-E-A-L-E, dead, L-Y-L-E, deadly tsunami, T-S-U-N-A-M-I, tsunami, waves, W-A-V-S, waves, were already, A-L-L-R-E-A-D-Y, ready, were already on their way, T-H-E-I-R, their way, W-A-Y, way. Let's read this line, children. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way. Next line. They, T-H-E, they, had, H-A-D, had, B-E-N, been, T-R-E-D, tree, trig, T-R-I-G, trig, T-R-I-G, trig, G-R, girl, ed, triggered. What is the word, children? Triggered by a massive, mass, sive, sieve, massive earth, earth. What is this word, children? Earth, 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 quake, quack, quake, quack. What is this word, children? Earth, earth, quack, quake, quack, earth, quack, earthquake. F of, OFF of, NORTHERN, northern, Sumatra, 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 northern Sumatra, EARLIER, earlier, EAR, earlier. How to pronounce this word, children? Earlier. That morning. More, NING, morning. Let's read the slide, children. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. I'll repeat. They had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra earlier that morning. So that's all from this paragraph. Let's read the last paragraph from this page number 27. Okay, children. The water, WATER, water was swelling, SWELLING, swelling and kept, KEPT, kept. Past tense of keep is kept. Swelling, 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 and kept coming, COMING, coming in. PENNY, penny, penny. Smith, SMITH, Smith. MEM, BR, ed, remembered. What is this word, children? Remembered. Let's read this line. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. Look at the next line. The beach, BACH, beach was getting, GET, TING, getting smaller, 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 smaller. This word, children? Smaller and smaller. I didn't. What is the word, children? Didn't. How to pronounce the word? Didn't. The full form is did not, but the short form is didn't. I didn't know what was happening. HAP, hap, PEN, pen, ING, happening. Let's read this line. The beach was getting smaller and smaller. I didn't know what was happening. Okay, children. So that's all. We have completed page number 27 today, children. Let's continue reading page number 28 in the another reading session. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, that's all from the reading part. Let's move on to the writing part now. Children, let's start today's handwriting part. Look at here. From Monday we are going to start. So 19, 10, 20. So for Monday we are going to write, you are going to write G and Q. Okay, children. So first 4 lines I am going to write it for you. Remaining things you have to draw line. So few people are drawing line and sending to me, but few of the children, they are not drawing line and they are not writing. So please draw lines and write, children. Next, for Tuesday, we are going to write O, then steps of X. Okay, children. So this we are going to write for Tuesday. Then for Wednesday, X and Z. So that's all, children. So let's start right today's handwriting part. Look at here. First, I have written the date. So you need to write every day. You need to write a date. Write the dates, and you have to draw lines, and you have to write. Sharp your pencil. Write neatly over the dotted lines, children. First and foremost thing, you have to start with the traces. Don't forget it, children. Don't go on to the next line by your own writing. So that is, first traces must be written first, then you have to move on to the next one. Okay, so let's start. Right, look at here, children. First we are going to write G. Sharp your pencil, children, and then write. Then only you can write a perfect trace. Write over the dotted line. Try to write over the dotted line, please. Sharp your pencil and then write, children. So that's all. I have completed tracing. Let's write. So this is the first step. Then bring it down. Yeah, they did touch the line. Yeah. Then you should also touch the line, children. I didn't touch here. So that's all from. So that's all, children. We have completed G. So remaining lines, you have to draw a line. First write the trace, then write the remaining two lines, children. Let's move on to the next letter, Q. For Monday, children. Try to write over the dotted lines. That's all we have completed. I have completed. Remaining things you have to write, children. Rotate your pencil then and there. Sharp your pencil and write, children. Write the date. Every day we need to write, children. Few of you are writing together. It should not be done like that. Every day you need to write, children. Write neatly and send it to me. So that's all. We have completed Q, children. So look at here. So for Monday, we are going to write G and Q. Okay, children? We are going to write G and Q. And the remaining lines, you need to draw a line and you have to write the dotted and you have to write the remaining lines. Let's move on to Tuesday, children. For Tuesday, 20-10-20, we are going to write O. Let's start O. So write carefully, children. Yes, that's all. So look at here how I am writing. It's the same way you should continue. You have to start with a tick, then oval, then rotate it. So that's all from O, children. We have completed O for 20, 10, 20 for Tuesday. Let's move on to the next stroke, that is steps of X. So remaining things you have to draw line and you have to write, children. So today for this week we are going to write 13, page number 13 and page number 14, children. We are going to complete page number 13 and 14. Let's start for the Tuesday for the remaining blocks. So children, first one is the stroke. Second one is curve. Third one is inverted C. Then that's all. Children, in the steps of X, we have only 3 columns, 3 blocks. So I'm just writing the first one. Remaining 2 you have to write on your own, children. So look at here, first one. Listen and write carefully, children. First trick, first step. Second tick. Third tick. Fourth tick. It's all, children. Look at here, again I am writing. First tick. Leave some space and write, children. Second tick. Third tick. So this is the perfect pattern, children. Leave some space. In the beginning I forgot to leave space. So leave space and write like this. Then it will be neat and tidy. So that's all. We have completed the first steps of stroke. This is for Tuesday. That's all. For Wednesday we are moving on. So remaining things, you have to draw a line here and you have to write the first step and the second step. 2 times you are going to write. For Wednesday, let's start. Complete X with this trace. See here how I am just writing over the dotted line. The same way you should write, children. Don't bring it out from the trace. Okay. Give some time, children, then only your handwriting will be changed and it will be corrected. If you write in a hurry-burry, definitely you cannot improve. See, children, Next line. That's all from X, children. So for Wednesday, first thing is X, then remaining you have to draw a line and write. For Wednesday, another block is Z. Let's continue with Z. Look at here, first I am writing the tracing. The next is Z. Look at here, first write on the trace. The next is it. That's all. We have completed the trace, children. Let's write the lines. Look at here, children. Sorry, it should start from this line. Okay. Next line, children. So that's all we have completed for Wednesday. That is 21, 10, 20. We have completed X. So that's all from the today's writing part, children. So today we have completed page number 13 and page number 14. Okay, children. First, we have to start for Monday. G and Q. Draw lines and write neatly. First, you should write compulsorily. We should write the tracing, children. Then only we have to move on to the next two lines. Then for Tuesday, 20, 10, 20. O and steps of X. Then for Wednesday, X and Z, children. So draw lines. First write the traces. Sharp your pencil. Write date. It is very must. Then try to write over the traces. Then write neatly, children. So that's all from the today's handwriting part. I'll catch you with another video soon. Children, let's conclude this reading and writing part with our today's value. That is books or mirrors. You only see in them what you already have inside you. So children, try to make use of this golden opportunity to improve your reading and writing skill.